Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to reset Instagram password. If you're using Instagram and then you want to reset your Instagram ID password, so let's see how you can do that. You have to simply open your Instagram app and here just tap on your profile option in the bottom right corner and then tap on three horizontal lines in the top right corner here, and from here just select account center and then select password and security option, then select change password. Then select your profile, for which profile you want to change your account password. So I'm going to select my Instagram account here. And here you just have to enter your current password which you have, and then enter your new password and then retype your new password. And after that your password will be changed. If you don't know or don't remember your current password, so you can try this forgotten your password option and recover your password from here. So in this way, you can easily reset your Instagram password. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.